So I would say going into the program that I knew quite a bit about adult learning in a corporate setting, but I didn't know much about executive coaching techniques, and it was really different than anything I had ever experienced. Most of the learning that I had seen was in a classroom setting. It was more of a group learning style. So learning about executive coaching, it was more one-on-one in nature. And it was really surprising and unique in that it was very much client-driven. So as the coach, you're not necessarily setting an agenda, you're not necessarily telling your client what they need to learn. You're kind of holding back and letting them decide where they want their development to be, and kind of putting the reins in their hands, so to speak. And so I found that to be really unique and really effective.
So I decided to enroll in the Emory's executive coaching program because although I've been working as a full-time internal coach, I wanted to build my skills but also build myself as a coach practitioner so that I can enhance my abilities with my coachees.
I think the biggest surprise coming out of the program, maybe two things come to mind. The first is just how effective and powerful it is to kind of let somebody drive the conversation instead of always feeling like you have to be the one driving the direction of the conversation and the learning. So coming from a more traditional classroom style learning, executive coaching is really unique in that there isn't an agenda, there isn't a curriculum, it's really one-on-one, and it's really curated to what that individual needs at that time for their own development journey. So I think that was very eye-opening, and definitely just the power of really truly learning to listen. I don't think I realized how much room for improvement I had in terms of how I was listening to people until I took the program.
First, there was an instant connection with the instructors and my peers who actually, for the most part, became friends. And the sharing of their own experiences from the interactive models where I was able to apply and implement real-time, utilizing in real-life scenarios. Through this program, there has been such a strong coaching community presence.
What I learned is really embedded itself in everything I do. In every conversation I have, I lean on different skills. Really, I can think about two specific areas. I'm always trying to actively listen, so really staying present and paying attention to what the individual I'm speaking to is not just saying, but really what they're trying to communicate to me, so what they're not saying. And always making sure that I'm asking the right kinds of questions. So, open-ended, powerful questions versus leading questions or kind of closed yes or no questions. And I have found that just all my conversations go a lot deeper, and I'm really a lot better at understanding the needs of the person I'm speaking with now.
Actually, since the start of the first class, I've been implementing the GROW model, which has really helped to support my coaching sessions from beginning to end, but also utilizing that same model with my peers and family members and applying it in everyday conversations.